राइट, सो एज आई वाज सेइंग कि मैंगोज खाने से वेट बढ़ते हैं, वेट गेन होता है एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो इज इट अ मिथ और ये सच है? Like how I consume mangoes. Okay, I am like a very fan of seasonal fruit, vegetables जो भी है, whatever I like. Okay, जो मैं खाती हूँ, I prefer कि most of the vegetables या फिर जितने भी fruits है seasons में, I must have all of them because it's always helps you your body. There are people who are asking me how you maintain your skin and how you keep it glowing, what are the ways, different way. सब कहते हैं पानी पीने से. Obviously हमारी skin के लिए always it's a healthy option. Okay, but it happens that many of us are not able to consume that much amount of water. In fact मेरे साथ भी maximum time ऐसा होता है. So for that what I do, I switch my drinks into detox या फिर कभी something or another I keep on trying, be it in any form. Okay, because water की quantity कम होने से obviously we have a lot of problem ahead in life. So what I've decided, okay, that mostly क्या होता है दिन में हमें इतनी गर्मी लगती है because it's already जून जुलाई का month coming up and we are exhausted. गर्मी के time especially we don't feel like having lunch or our meal. People are there who try to skip their meals in order to just अपना weight lose करने के लिए, but that doesn't work that way. If you want to lose weight you have to keep on having something. Okay, and if you want to know how to make your skin glowing, okay, there are many ways. Okay, सबसे important thing I would say, okay, try to have seasonal fruits or vegetables especially. Okay, because that will help obviously your skin quality and improvement, digestion, immune system के लिए better है. Like if your entire body is working nice properly अच्छे तरीके से, तो obviously वो आपकी skin में reflect करेगा, right? Okay, so moving on to the video's topic, that is the mango. Okay, so सबसे बड़ा एक चीज़ I wanted to make it clear. Okay, one point I want to make absolutely clear, that is if you compare watermelon or mango. Okay, I would like to say कि watermelon में we have lots of sugar. Okay, water that is very good for the body. उसके हम लोग ने बहुत सारे detox देखे हैं. Many of us try the detox. बहुत तरह की refreshing drink आते हैं. In fact, for example, you take ruafza. Okay, enriched with fruits and loaded with goodness. So उसी तरीके से if you keep on trying, okay, seasonal fruits या vegetables जो भी है उसको अपने daily life में indulge करना, and if you try to make some drinks out of it, then it would like work as a wondrous. And yeah, because आप जो भी consume करते हो it will reflect on your skin and your body. Okay, जैसे कि मैंने कहा mango helps to improve your skin quality and make it glowing. If you want to know, follow me on Instagram and let me know if you have any comments below the video comment section. I'll definitely answer all of that. So let's move on to the kitchen and have a look कि कैसे बनाना है ये drink. Alright guys, let's start with it. मैंने यहाँ पे ले लिया है 1 full mango. आप देख सकते हो मैंने जो गुठली की सेक्शन है मैंने उसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया था. एंड आई एम नाउ गोना ब्लेंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो माय फर्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट इज मैंगो. एंड मैंने यहाँ पे मैंगो लिया है फॉर आई हैव टेकन 1 मैंगो. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था ये मील रिप्लेसमेंट होने वाला है. इस डिटॉक्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, सो उस हिसाब से आप कोई भी टाइप का मैंगो ले सकते हो जो भी अवेलेबल है आपके पास. और मैंने यहाँ पे ले लिया है नेक्स्ट ऑफ दी बेस्ट, मुझे जो लगता है अब तक का ingredient which helps to detoxify, that is ginger. ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पे 3 to 4 इंचेस का जिंजर लिए थे, आप देख सकते हो. एंड या मैंने हाफ लेमन लिया था, आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे. तो आप इतना ही जिंजर रखो, आई वुड एडवाइस. ओके, एंड या आई एम नॉट गोना टेक फुल लेमन. ओके, सो आप यहाँ पे हाफ लेमन ले सकते हो, दैट वुड बी सफिशियंट. सो नाउ आई एम गोना ऐड एवरीथिंग इनटू इट. ओके, एंड मैं यहाँ पे लेमन को स्क्वीज करके डालने वाली हूँ. ओके, आई जस्ट नीड द जूस. ओके, नॉट द एंटायर लेमन और द जस्ट. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी आई हैव ब्लेंडेड एवरीथिंग. ओके, यू नीड अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ जूस, इसीलिए मैंने हाफ किया. मेरे पास काफ़ी अच्छा खासा साइज का लेमन था. और मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करने वाली हूँ वाटर. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि आई एम मेकिंग दिस फॉर ओनली 1 पर्सन. ओके, ओनली फॉर मी. सो आई हैव एडेड ओके द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. यू कैन सी दैट्स ओनली 1 ग्लास. ओके, आप जो भी वेसल में से लेने वाले हो प्लीज़ मेजर फ्रॉम दैट. एंड नाउ I have gonna blend everything, and yeah, you can see the consistency, right? You can add on some ice if you want. Okay, and yeah, now it's ready. Yeah, so enjoy and please let me know कि आपको ये drink कैसा लगा. Welcome back guys, I hope that you all like this recipe. Okay, now you'll think कि इसको कौन से वक्त में लेना है, because what I do, okay, how I take mango to maintain my weight, because I've said that मैंने weight loss journey को फिर से start किया है, because I have some plans I've already set, but it's always a better option to keep yourself on a track. ऐसा नहीं कि weight बढ़ रहा है but it keep on increasing, but you need to have a healthy lifestyle going on forward in your life. So yes, how I take mango, I take in different time and routine, because I just don't have the mango at any time kitna bhi quantity. No, I don't go in that flow. Okay, so what I do for myself, okay, I try to have one mango for my lunch. Okay, when I feel like I don't want to have anything, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होके रखी है, at that point of time I feel like having one mango, that's enough for my lunch or meal, you can say. And yeah, I've already tried, okay, indulging the mango in any kind of a shake, or I try to have coffee, that cold coffee. So that is a better option how you can lose your weight, along with having different fruits, and yeah, substituting of your just the way we have our lunch or meal. Okay, so I would say that egg mango is sufficient for the entire day. Okay, just keep it thrice in a week. Don't take it 4 or 5 or individually 2 mangoes a day. Okay, that might give a negative result to your body. Okay, that you will ultimately gain weight, because mango may we have more of fiber, okay, and yeah, less of juice or what you would say, but fiber की quantity काफ़ी होती है mango में. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope that you like my video. Please do let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, don't forget to like, share and this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye, take care.